It's time for another episode of What I Wore This Week. For today's video, I picked out some really fun outfits. I had fun trying these on for you guys. And these are outfits that you can wear for the weekend, you can wear during the week, and always you can mix and match and make it work for your lifestyle. I'm really excited to share these outfits with you because I think they're so cute. So let's jump right in. I'm excited that this video is sponsored by Yummy. And you guys, I have some really cute outfits to show you, especially with my Yummy pieces. Now, a couple videos ago, I shared my new Yummy pieces and I really love them, and so many of you gave me some really great feedback and told me that you love them as well. You guys know how I feel about my Yummy tanks. I shared that I picked up 2 new colors. I have this gorgeous pink, which is a really saturated like bubblegum pink, and it looks so cute, styled with jeans. I loved this look. And then I also styled the orange one that I got in, and I love that one. That one is a little bit of a different style, but it offers the same fit, that really nice compression that's not uncomfortable, but really slims out your waistline. Love my Yummy tanks, so I'm always gonna recommend them to you guys. I'll have links to those in the description box, but I also wanna talk about some of the more athletic style pieces that I picked up from Yummy. I showed you guys a really nice bra, a sports bra that I love, and one that I'm not usually into. I don't usually like this kind of a shape, but this sports bra was so good. I wanted to show you that you can also incorporate it into your regular wardrobe and wear it on the weekends. Of course, you can work out in it and be active, but if you want to actually wear it in your real life, here's how you do it. So I decided to pair this sports bra with my Yummy leggings, which I really love. These have some really nice pockets on the side. They have a nice high rise and they have that good stretch. But all these pieces hold you in a way that's comfortable, but you can be active and move around. And I figured that these two together would look so great styled with just an oversized white button-up shirt. Of course, left open, really easy, very chic. It was like you're not even thinking about it. This is such a really great like after work outfit, weekend outfit. And of course, if you were active and you were gonna like maybe do yoga or something like that, you could wear this and then have a topper to throw on after the fact. And I just loved the way this looked. This is something that I would totally wear to like lunch on the weekend or, you know, running errands, going shopping, things like that, where I want to be comfortable, but I still want to look really cute. And these pieces in black with the white button-up shirt over top is just so chic. I just love this look. It's just so effortless and chic. I threw in a pair of sunglasses and a pair of sneakers and a cute black bag. Good to go. I love this outfit so much. I thought it was so cute the way it was styled. Now, I want to show you another version of this outfit. This time I wore these shorts from Yummy and I love these. I shared these as well, but I wanted to show you again how you can really wear this and make this into an outfit. These shorts are so comfortable. They have really great stretch, nice high rise. I just love the way they feel. The material feels really good and like almost cooling on the skin. It feels really good. I love that these shorts have that gray stripe down the side. I just love that kind of a style because it reminds me of like a tuxedo kind of a vibe. And of course, anything with vertical lines really adds to, you know, that elongation factor and it just really slims you out. So really good. And as you can see, this outfit looks really great. It's still super hot outside, so if you want a cooler option, these shorts look really great with this outfit as well. And it's nice to have both options, to be honest, because if you're in and out of the air conditioning, you might just want to wear something a little bit longer with a little bit more coverage. And so that's why the leggings would work out. But both options are really great. And this could be a uniform in a sense, something that you could always go to and rely on the weekends if you're looking for those really easy outfits that look good and you don't have to really think about. These pieces could really act as your uniform staple pieces that you just reach for whenever you have to just throw something on and go, but you look super chic. I want to show you another piece from Yummy that I really love. So this top that I'm showing you is really comfortable, nice and cool, and this is a loungewear piece. These could be your pajamas, these could be your loungewear, but these also can be tops. I thought that this looked really great with the leggings to throw on as something you put on over your sports bra. If you wanted something to wear after the gym, after whatever activity you might be doing, you might want something to throw on for a little bit more coverage, or this could just be the thing you wear. This is so cute. I love how basic it looks in the front. It's like a normal t-shirt. It's lightweight, it's really cool. But when you turn around, it has this really nice open back, twisted detail that is so flattering. As you can see, I have my sports bra underneath and it looks really good. I love the fact that the sports bra and the leggings look like one piece, almost like a jumpsuit. jumpsuit, a unitard, really cute, very flattering. And then the top is just like a good topper. The top just has that open back, but you can see like a little bit of your back detail showing just a little bit of skin. But overall, such a cute outfit. I love the way these pieces pair together. I really love this color. This beautiful shade of blue is a really nice contrast against the black pieces. Now, when I love something, I have to have it in multiple colors. I mean, I have almost every color in those yummy tanks that I told you guys about. I absolutely love those. So we talk about it all the time in the comments, how we're collecting all the colors. So I know you guys already know, but this top, I also wanted to have in black. I love the way that these black pieces look all together. It's so chic. The monochrome is just everything. It's so slimming. It looks so good. And then again, when you turn around, you just have that little sliver of skin showing that looks so good. And these open back tops also have matching bottoms. So if you want to have two really great sets, you can get the bottoms to both and wear that, you know, as your loungewear. And that would be really cute to have some really nice sets. But as an alternative to the sports bra that I'm wearing underneath, Yummy has some bandeaus that would look really great layered under as well. And these bandeaus, they're very stretchy, really comfortable. They offer a nice, almost like a soft hold. I find that this is something comfortable that I can wear around the house. It doesn't give me like the support of an actual bra, but it's a comfortable hold. And they have padding, but you can remove the padding if you prefer. But it's also nice to have it, you know, for modesty if that's your speed. But of course you can take it out. So it's really nice that you can customize these with the padding, without the padding. You can wear these underneath for layering. And also if you wear things that are very like low on the sides, like low cut, but they're loose, these come in really handy for that as well. I'll have links to all the yummy pieces that I share with you guys in this video listed in the description box, so be sure to check there. I'll also have size information, but of course, if you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments. And I have a coupon code for you guys to use on your next yummy purchase. I'll have that listed in the description box as well. Now let's jump into the rest of the outfits that I want to share with you guys, starting with this dress. I love this. This is something you can wear to the office. This is a fabulous, well-fitting dress. I love a knit. This is something you can wear right now, and you can take this with you into the fall and winter. I am so here for the transition looks that I can wear right now, and I really love this. It's sleeveless, it has a mock neck, very comfortable, and so I paired it with a pair of wedges, and then I threw on a cute bag and some sunglasses, and I'm ready to go. You can throw on a blazer on top of this as well if you want to wear this into the office and you need a little bit of coverage, or you just want to stay a little bit warmer if you're going to be in the AC. You can do a denim jacket over this dress for another look to give it a little bit more of a casual vibe, and that would look so good as well. So this is a really great dress, you guys. I'm gonna style this multiple ways as we near to the the cooler weather. As we get a little bit closer to that, I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna style it up with boots, maybe even some sneakers. I'm gonna play around with some different looks, but such a cute dress. I love this. Here's the next outfit, and this is one if you love an all-white look. Now, starting off with this linen top, easy breezy. I love a linen top. I'm gonna wear these literally until I cannot. I mean, like literally till the first cold day, I'm gonna be wearing my linen shirts because they're just perfect. Whenever I'm doing these monochrome looks, just one color outfits, I like when I can to add something that's like interesting, has a little bit of detail. It adds layers to the look and keeps it interesting. So the shorts that I'm wearing have like a scallop edge, a little bit of a, like almost like a lace detail that adds some interest to the outfit. Very cute, they just peek out the bottom because the top that I'm wearing is pretty long. And then I decided to throw in some gold accessories just because gold and white is just a really nice pop together. I love gold with anything, but gold and white just looks really nice and fresh and regal and very expensive and rich. I just love the way they look paired together. And then easy, you can wear this to an all white event, something really casual, or you can swap out the flats and wear a pair of heels if that's more your speed. But easy, effortless. This is something I would just wear easily to the mall on the weekend. You know, if I had a really cute event, maybe like something outdoors. I was gonna go to someone's house where they were cooking out and I wanted to be cool but super cute. This is a very easy, chill outfit that looks really good. This next look is for my denim lovers. I love a denim on denim look. It always looks good, classic, never goes out of style. It's just easy and it just looks good. Denim shirts I like to have in a couple different sizes, sometimes really oversized, sometimes just having my actual fit. So I have a few in my rotation at any given time because I just, different sizes for a top that I like. I always will use them for different styling purposes. But here I'm wearing this denim shirt with a pair of denim shorts. They're cut off, they have some distressing, and I really love the way this looks together. And I decided I wanted to have a little bit more fun with the look, so I threw on these fur sandals. Love these, comfortable, so cute, so interesting, and they pair so great with this denim look. And then I just threw on a neutral colored tote bag. easy. You can wear this if you're gonna be like out and about on the weekend and you wanna carry a larger tote to throw things in. If you like work from a coffee shop or something, if you like to just wear something comfortable but really cute to run errands, this is a great look. Here is the last look that I have for you guys, and I'm playing around with some color blocking here, and I'm also giving you somewhat of a transition vibe because I'm playing around with some faux leather. So this overshirt that I'm wearing, this jacket, is a faux leather top. I really love how vibrant this color is, so beautiful. I love the cut of this, I love the fit. It's kind of oversized, but it's not too long, so it just looks really good with a pair of shorts. This is gonna look great with jeans, so many things, so stay tuned. But I just love this, and I love the way that this pink pairs with orange. Such a nice color block, very vibrant and saturated. I just love this so much. I just love this combination. And then I decided to keep it neutral with some cream colored shorts. Really great color combination. And then on my feet and for my handbag, I went with gold accessories. Gold, again, just a really great neutral, and it just adds a really nice pop to the outfit but doesn't outshine it or overshadow the color blocking that I'm doing here. So everything paired really nicely, and this is a very easy, comfortable outfit but so cute. This is the kind of outfit I would wear if I was going to maybe like a sporty fun event, but I would totally wear this on the weekends, like to the mall. This is something that I just would wear for so many different casual occasions, but I wanted to like elevate it a little bit because those gold accessories really do step it up. Love this look so much. So that is it, you guys. Those are my picks for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to check the description box for all the yummy pieces that I've shared. I have links and sizing and coupon code information for you guys listed, so be sure to check there. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Huge thanks to Yummy for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you want to catch me on some of my other socials like Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, I'll have all that information listed in the description box as well. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you guys made it this far and you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? I would love to have you. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.